There you go. This is your beach, girl. How clear that water is. Soph, come. Come here. Come. Ben. Ben. Stop. Oh, look at me chase you. Come on. Sophie.
Good thing you didn't get an ugly dog.
Yeah, I know.
Get an ugly dog and you're fucked.
I'm fucked. Yeah.
Beautiful one, though.
Thank you. Girl's ridiculous. Chick magnet. I know. I know.
Get on the scooter. Get on the scooter.
Yeah. I just sit back and let her do her thing.
That's the difference between having kids and having a dog.
I know.
Don't let anybody play with your fucking dog.
I know. Hungarian Vizsla. Same family as a Weimaraner. You know. Sophie's spoiled. Spoiled ass rotten.
Hi, we've been waiting to say hi to you all
Mira. Go. Come. And my girl. Come on. Let's go. So if I cut across to the left, and I go on to the east side of the island, where my apartment is, maybe 4 blocks. My battery is dying, so I don't know if I'll be able to get it all the way through, but I'll give it a try. So, come, Ben, Ben, music, live music, flamenco guitar. Sophie's looking for me. Maybe not. Soph, come. 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 There you are, girl. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Beach clubs all up and down. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're heading to an area where I have eaten twice. Incredible seafood. Last night it was octopus. The night before I had some traditional fish with onion and these herbs. Yeah. Tomato. It was incredible. I may go there again. Oh, there's a lot of people. A lot of people down here. Here we have a modelo. Go. Let's go. Go, girl. Good people. Go. Oh, gracias, amigo. Ven. No, no, out. Come on. Hola. Club after beach club. Lots of foreigners. Lots. Which I have no problem with anymore. I used to, but these people are from everywhere, so you get a taste of all the different cultures. And it's true Mexican food, Caribbean food. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. So Sophie. Police. 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 Bananas all over the beach. Resorts all over, lined up. Come, Ben, let's go. Sophie gets like her first, second, third, fifth. She has like 7 different wins she gets to go and play. Come, Soph. Oh, Sophie's gonna go. She's doing her job. Let her know. Soph, come. This is where I've eaten a few times. We go eat there again now.